I know all of us like to make our adventures just a little more epic. And the Go Rhino XRS series Overland Xtreme rack, it's up for any adventure. This rack is built for those of us who crave the outdoors and love exploring. It's designed to maximize your vehicle storage capacity and make hauling gear an absolute breeze. Whether you're into camping, road trips, or just need some extra space for your hobbies, this rack has got you covered. Something that caught my eye though is the heavy-duty construction. It's made from a high-quality combination of aluminum and steel. It can handle all sorts of weather conditions and rough terrains. I mean, this thing is built to last. And check out this design. It's not just about functionality. Go Rhino really nailed it in the aesthetics department too. The black powder coat finish gives it a clean and modern look that'll make your vehicle stand out on the road and help protect it from rust and corrosion. But what really sets this rack apart is its versatility. It comes with multiple tie-down points so you can securely mount all your gear, from kayaks and bikes to camping equipment and boxes. You can also get a variety of accessories for the XRS rack, including reel handles, gear tables, gear plates, mounts, quick release tent brackets, and much more. So if you're looking to take your outdoor excursions to the next level and maximize your vehicle storage capacity, I highly recommend checking out the Go Rhino's XRS Overland Xtreme rack. It is a game changer. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. So if you're interested in the XRS series Overland Xtreme rack by Go Rhino, or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next In the Garage. Until then, keep on exploring and have fun out there.